Gusto mo na makipagkwentuhan, ano? Nakikipagkwentuhan ka na kay tatay? No? Oo. Hagag. 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 Oh. What do you want to talk about, anak? What do you want to talk about? What do you want to talk about? Oh. Oh. Gusto mo kapagkwentuhan. Gusto mo na makipagkwentuhan. What do you want to talk about? This. Gusto mo laging kwentuhan kayo ni tatay? Ay, excite na naman ang baby na to. Excite na naman ang baby na to. No. Excite ang baby na to. No. What do you want to talk about, baby? No.